did you guys come from?
We come in peace.
Why we ain't no planet, fool?
Are you talking about Pluto?
Well, Pluto has an irregular orbit that we didn't like, so we decided that your home planet's not really a planet. Do you speak our language?
Well, yeah, probably from a different universe. We're from Pluto. We came to Earth because we wanted to know more about your planet. By the way, it's nice here. Pluto's freezing.
Well, since we're the third planet from the sun, it's like the perfect distance, so it never gets too hot or way too cold.
We have nowhere to stay. Our ship's crashed.
You will let us stay in your homes.
We will let you stay in our homes.
No planet's so dark.
Well, it's nighttime, so you better go to bed.
What's nighttime?
Day and night occur because of the Earth's rotation on its axis. See, when it's nighttime here, it's daytime on the other half of the planet because we're not facing the sun right now. Now go to bed.
Why is that planet so close to yours?
Well, it's actually not a planet, it's our moon, and it's not really close at all. It's actually very far away. See, well, it's not actually a planet, it's our moon, and it's not close to us at all. The moon is very far away, but the sun's light is reflected off of it, so we can see it at night. The current theory for the origin of the moon is that it's either a piece of Earth that broke off, or a rock that was caught in the Earth's gravitational pull, and is stuck there.
We don't have a moon on Pluto. Does the moon have a job?
Well, since the moon is such a large celestial object, it uses its gravity to pull on the water on Earth, and it causes tides. The moon isn't always a full moon like that. Since it orbits the Earth, it appears to be bigger or smaller at different times during the month. Sometimes it's a crescent or a gibbous. The Earth's shadow gets in the way of the sun's light, and that's why it appears to be changing shape. And every once in a while, there's a lunar eclipse, which happens when the Earth lines up between the sun and the moon and blocks out light from the sun, and it makes it so we can't see the moon at all.
Are those the phases?
Yeah, like that.
Well, see you tomorrow.
What is all this white fluff falling from the sky?
Don't worry, it's just snow.
But how does it go from night to snowing?
Well, we'll find out. When you arrived yesterday, it was nighttime. The changes in weather are called seasons. We have them because of the Earth's axis. All planets revolve around the sun in their own orbits, which are elliptical or oval-shaped. Since the Earth's axis is tilted, the sun's light is mainly shining on different parts of the planet at different times, and that causes different seasons in different countries. Like right now, it is winter.
That is interesting. How many seasons do you have?
We have 4. There's summer, winter, fall, and spring.
So how long are you planning on staying on Earth, and how will you get back because you crashed your ship?
We have no idea. Our ship crashed because we were having problems with the UPS, otherwise known as the Universal Positioning System.
This could be because the sun is interfering with your technology. Sometimes there are explosions on the sun's corona that put solar particles into solar wind. These are called CMEs, or coronal mass injections.
Solar wind is the 1 million tons of matter that the sun flings into space every second. It travels very fast and warps the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is a magnetic field that surrounds the Earth to protect it from solar wind and other celestial objects.
So when the magnetosphere gets warped, it can cause odd things to happen, like the northern lights, or radio interference.
Oh, that explains everything, but it still doesn't explain how we get home.
Thanks so much for explaining your planet to us. We have gathered so much useful information for the scientists on our planet. But we have to get back to Pluto now, but the only problem is our spaceship is crashed, and we'll only make it halfway before it totally breaks.
Well, it says here NASA just 5 minutes ago discovered a new planet in our solar system. It's called Artemis. It's a little bit larger than Earth. It has a 30-hour day as opposed to our 24-hour day, and it has a similarly tilted axis, so it'll be just like Earth.
Oh yes, life could inhabit this planet. That's it. You should head there since you can't make it all the way to Pluto.
But how does it differ from Earth?
Well, it says here the days are a little longer, the years are shorter, and it's larger than Earth, so the seasons would be shorter. The gravity would be stronger than it is here, but yes, you could definitely live there.
It even has moons, so there'd be tides and everything. Oh, and the moon is closer to that planet, so the tides would be more prominent.
Finally! But will there be any people on the planet?
You'll just have to wait and see.
Well, how will you let us know that you got there safe? Like, how will you contact us?
I'll carve a face on your moon.
Freeze! Where are the aliens? We've had reports of extraterrestrial activity in this lab. Where are the aliens?
do now?
Wait for the face, I guess.